I've got a package today. I've been expecting this, and my lights are on. Ignore that, I've been filming a speed paint all day and just didn't want to turn them off. But I just got back from the P.O. box from picking this up, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Apparently I can just tear this thing open. Yep. There we go. And, okay, that has nothing else in it. This is a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be, and I will talk about why in a little bit. But we have here a KoKoWill 5D diamond painting kit is what we have right here. And they offered to send this to me if I would put it on my channel, and ordinarily I don't do other people's kits or patterns on this channel just out of principle, but if someone wants to send me something so that I can show other people, I will gladly go ahead and do that. So let's, how do I get in here? It's just glued up here at the top. Okay. Let's take a look and see what's inside. And it's all wrapped up here nice and neatly. I want to be kind of careful so I don't tear the plastic off. There we go. Okay, put those aside. So this says something on here. As the product is a manual drilling method, there may be some missing diamonds. If such a situation occurs, please contact us. We will reply within 24 hours until you are satisfied. Okay. Looks like there's only 18 colors, and this is the image that they had up on the listing for the one that I picked, and this is the image. Is that all the way in frame? Yes, this is the image that it wound up being on the canvas. And I'm actually pretty okay with these. I think some of you guys in the Discord might remember the unicorn, which we have been laughing at forever. But with the level of detail that was on that image, it was never going to be that that precise and that detailed, because diamond painting is just about, I can't remember if it's 10 count. Yeah, I think it's the equivalent of stitching on 10 count fabric. So it's always going to be massively, massively big. This one has 18 colors. It's 40 by 30 centimeters, so I should be able to do it on my little table over here. The only thing I am noticing is that the plastic that is covering the glue, that's upside down, is all one piece. Now, I said that this was a smaller package than I was expecting, because last year, and I didn't even upload it until like the very end of the year, but some of you guys who watch my live streams might have seen me working on a rose that I did with these, and the package that I got for that was enormous because I ordered this huge starter kit that had, I want to say, about a yard of this canvas and all of the drills that you need. So this was kind of a surprise to see it that small, but that also makes sense. And let's see here, take a look at this. What else do we have? Okay, so we have the little pen, a little pot, and the glue, so that's nice. It comes with that, because I don't know where my other stuff is for that. And then we have the diamonds themselves, which are wrapped up somehow in a way I don't entirely understand. Here we go. Okay, so it's in a big envelope, and we have the drills here. These are round, so if I do run out of a color, that does kind of mean that I will not be able to use what I have in my closet. Let's see, are these colors? And these are not, also, these are not DMC matched. And I'm looking here at everything. Okay, so I do have right away 3 enormous packs of the black, and it does look like each of the packs kind of are filled up to the point that you will probably need them for the kit. So that's kind of cool. I'll go ahead and put that aside. And this isn't one of those monster ones that I did last time, so I shouldn't be struggling the entire time to find the drills like I was, but yeah, let's go ahead here. This is the same kind of canvas that I remember using last time, and the information is all printed right there on it, which is kind of nice. I've never done one this way. In the past, I've always done them myself. So I'm not really sure, and I do notice, okay, this is probably going to be kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get this to focus on there. Where is the camera? It doesn't really want to focus too much. Probably because I'm there. Okay, well, it doesn't seem to want to focus, probably because of the glare from the plastic. But there are little tiny round circles around each of the symbols on the chart, so that you can, yeah, I don't think it's ever going to focus on that, but that kind of lets you center this. In the past, I've used the square ones, which I've really liked, so it'll be interesting to see how the round ones go. I kind of like the square ones, I think just on principle, because they are going to give you slightly better coverage. And then what's down here? Refer to the comparison table on the canvas to identify each diamond number with its corresponding printed area on the canvas. 2. Insert the round end of the dotting pen. Okay, that's just basic instructions in text and in photo form, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, I am going to probably work on this during a few live streams and definitely do a speed paint of this. I will put the listing for this item and their Facebook page down in the description below. I'm kind of looking forward to starting on this. I don't do many other kits from other sources very often, so this is kind of interesting. So yeah, this should be fun. But I'm going to go ahead and leave it there for today. I want to go ahead and get started on this, but I have a few other things I need to do first. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!